Hello people, I wanted to tell you about this memory quilt that I made for a young mother who has lost her husband and 3 little kids that have lost their dad. Memory quilts are a great way to keep memories of somebody close, but also to let go a little bit of the mourning that is going on. Because instead of having those unspeakable piles of clothes in your closet, you have a nice cuddly blanket you can cuddle with and remember the person that has passed. And the nice thing for me about memory quilts is that it allows me to share the magic of quilting and to also make something in the style that somebody likes. Because personally I rarely work with black and white, but I love making things in the style of somebody. This guy was also a football fan, Juventus, from Italy, I think. So that's the black and white stripes. And beyond that, I used all the fabrics that are meaningful to them. So there are punk shirts, there are running clothes, and the Juventus, and the pockets that are functional. So the kids can also put some handkerchief in them, because the guy always had handkerchiefs in his pockets. So that's a wonderful way of reuse old clothes of somebody who has passed away. Because often it feels odd to throw those clothes away, but you're probably also not going to wear them anymore. I forgot some thread, so I'm going to remove them now. So this is a way to reuse the fabrics and to treasure the memory of a person. Yeah. That's basically it. Maybe in the future I will make a tutorial on how you can make your own memory quilt, and if you want me to do it you can send me a message and we'll talk. So follow me for quilting advice, and society's trash will be our treasure.